I have $6.5 million of real estate in escrow right now. I don't have a finance degree. I've never worked at a bank. I actually went to college for neuroscience, and I'm starting a private equity firm from scratch. Now, 9 months ago, I thought that the way you build a portfolio as a normal person was you get a job, you save up some money for a down payment, you put it down, buy a house, save up some more money, invest it, put it down, buy another house. I thought that you had to have money to play the investor game. Or because it's either you save it up like that or you inherit a ton of money so you have a bunch of leverage and you can go and buy properties and business, whatever you do, invest it. What I didn't realize was that even the people with a lot of money, these investors, right, who are just like buying properties, playing real life Monopoly, what I didn't realize is these people, they don't even use their own money to buy these investments. And it seemed to click for me. Like, I started out by trying to figure out how to wholesale real estate. And I ended up structuring a deal where this dude bought a house with none of his own money. My team made $21,000 for sourcing and structuring the deal. This dude pocketed $21,000 at the close of escrow, and he didn't pay anything out of pocket because he literally financed the whole thing. He financed the house, and he financed the down payment, and he financed our fee, and he financed enough to get some money back at the close of escrow. Like, what? So then I realized that there are people out there where their entire business model is giving you money to go and buy stuff and do deals. There's people, they make money by lending you money. And you just have to know who these people are, and you have to know how to structure a deal so that they'll want to lend you money on it. And when you can put this puzzle together, you can start building your portfolio right now. The only thing separating you and the people playing the investor game full time is not money. It's a skill set. It's an ability to structure a deal and put the right people in place, the right pieces of the puzzle, so that you can start playing the game. Now, when I moved my family across the country a year ago, I had no idea that this is what we were going to land on. And the reason I'm pursuing it is, one, because this is the ultimate path to financial freedom. Like, every wealthy person owns properties and businesses. And I always thought you had to have a lot of money. And the world makes you think that you need to have a credential or a degree or a background or something in order to play this game. And my mission is to show you that the only thing separating you and the life you really want is a willingness to figure it out. If you want to see how it plays out in real time, hit follow, hit subscribe, whatever, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.